The Great Wall of China is a series of fortifications that were built across the historical northern borders of ancient Chinese states and Imperial China as protection against various nomadic groups from the Eurasian steppe. The structure's length is estimated at 8,852 kilometers. And the structure age is almost 3,000 years. It was made around 220 BCE by Qin Shi Huang, also called the First Emperor, who united China. The Great Wall of China became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in December 1987. The wall was built by over 6 different Chinese dynasties. Every year, more than 10 million people flock to the Great Wall of China, making it one of the world's most popular tourist attractions. Please subscribe, RKA Production, and click on the bell icon to get the notification for more videos.